Hey, it's Faye. Okay, I wasn't gonna do another Singles Inferno's video or update, but then Gia is a major poop controversy right now. Like, it's the dumbest shit I've ever seen. I mean, it's up there. Hold on, let me just put on my sunglasses because the bullcrap is blinding. Sunglasses can touch my lips. Okay. Now, don't get me wrong, I do see the issue here, and I'm gonna give it to you raw and hard. Why are people so sensitive to the point where she had to publicly apologize on her Instagram? A handwritten apology for, get this, wearing fake designer on Singles Inferno. At this point of this report, please applaud. It's like apologizing for buying Walmart detergent because you save $1 from not buying Tide. Here's the tea in the streets if you haven't already heard. I know there's a lot of mixed feelings about people liking her and not liking her. Designer or not, she ate. So here's the issue at hand. She went on Singles Inferno wearing fake designer, like fake Chanel. Oh my god. I'm guessing other designer brands too. I don't know. Honestly, I didn't really care to dig through her SMS to see if this was true or not. Apparently it is, and she does it on all her social medias, and then she went through to delete her photos. I sincerely apologize to anyone I've disappointed and hurt because of me. Hurt. H-U-R-T. Hurt. Because she's a material girl on a budget. I'm not defending her, so don't get it twisted. I'm just saying, as much bullshit that she has gotten from her haters and her loyal subscribers, which one is it? Probably the same person, let's not lie. She still ate, left no breadcrumbs. Now, I will put this defense at the end of the table, so let's just leave it there for 2 seconds, Faye. I think it's important to highlight the fact that she did acknowledge hurting brands that she had affected due to copyright infringement and just stealing creations from designers. It's unethical. So if anything here, I think she owes an apology to them, which she did. I'm sure she hurt her brand relations because she does work with Chanel PR, so they're probably like, hey sis, did you have to do us dirty like that, not me? Oh yeah, I was tight on the coin, so I bought a $30 replica of your $3,000 sunglasses. My bad, G. So as of current, I feel like there's 2 groups being separated right now, which, again, this is so minuscule to the world's issues nowadays. There's the one that I joined. Okay, you made a mistake and you acknowledge that you did hurt brands' creations. It's unethical, etc., etc. Own up to your nonsense. And she apologized for the fake product. Cheryl, relax. Going forward, she's gonna do a better job because she knows that this is an issue and she's bringing awareness to it now that she's been called out. It's embarrassing, I get it. And then there's a wave where people, a lot of them are writing, you fake and we been new. It's embarrassing. I hope no one supports you going forward. You deserve none of this fame, none of this money, none of these free Chanel foundation. Go to the corner and reflect and never show up again. Go into hiding. You know, one time there was like this scandal in Dia TV when I was still with them. It's pretty public, but there's that one girl. What's her face? I forget. She was a creator as well, and Korea, it's like another level. Scary over there. I'm just saying. Old bullying stories and just a lot of things came up from her past. Everyone went crazy. Witch hunting, like she didn't have the best record, is what I'm gonna say. And homegirl moved to another country. She had to move to another country until she could come back. I forget her name. Does anyone remember? Okay, back to Gia. So right now all the Cheryls are getting up into her face. Cheryls are hitting the sweet spot on the thigh where you lose O2. They're getting pretty aggressive. Low-key though, low-key. I may agree to some Cheryls to an extent. Some of them. Not all of them, some of them. I mean, it's true, it is embarrassing. The issue at hand that I can fully clothe around is the fake persona that she tried to convince her audience. She comes off as this young, golden spoon, well-fed, messy girl, material girl. She looks the right axe, especially with her flashy Chanel bag on the island. Like, why? I still don't know why she carried purses everywhere she went. I guess in Korea, it makes you look more desirable. And not to compare, but let's look at Miss Jennie Kim herself. She's from a very wealthy, well-fed family. Young, vibrant, everyone wants her. She has it all. People admire that. But then Miss Jennie Kim's like super like humble and just, you know, we love her. I guess coming from a family with a lot of money, or you look like you come from money, wow, admirable in the Asian culture. And I'm not just saying in Korea, that's like literally everywhere. So my theory is she wants everyone to believe her fake drip, her fake lips. Ooh. I mean, it's pretty obvious that her adopting this fake persona really hurt the authenticity of her, and now people are questioning like, who are you, really? But I mean, her numbers continue to rise. So who said Miss Gia cannot afford a Prada sock? A sock for like $4,580. Like, she's pretty, she's popular. I'm sure people won't think less of her if she went around wearing like a Target shirt. Target stepping it up, big girl. We love Target. Honestly, what could have been cool and made her more likable and relatable to normal people like you and me, because we are normal people. Maybe if she showed that wearing affordable alternatives is literally so normal and it doesn't make you any less of than anyone else. Because let me tell you, not everyone can afford to live that luxe lifestyle, madam. It'll make her look less consumed in this lavish life that she's trying to paint. I know homegirl got money, she got coin. Now with everything that came out, it just feeds into this fake persona, and I think that's where the question mark is. Honestly, that's the part that's not giving. Because she is an influencer, I see that it can totally send the wrong message to her followers. So all is the nulls. It's the fill in the blank for me, girl. Yes. I don't know why she has to send though. Like, are people that sensitive? I mean, according to her YouTube channel, she admits that not all her things are designer anyway. So like, she kind of did disclose it, but like, I sound like Nicki Minaj. I mean, if you want to get all up in her face about this, then like, go for it. Just be kind. Being critical towards someone and just trying to help them, make them realize that, hey, what you did was wrong, change, and hopefully we see this change. But not like, girl, you don't deserve anything that you have right now. The baby you have, the money you have, what's done is done. And we can only hope that going forward, Gia will reflect on this and become a better person. Because like, now she has eyes on her, and I'm sure her management team is like super like, what are you wearing to 7-Eleven today? Because we need to know. Because if you're gonna walk out wearing your fake cookies, think about it. Last thing I want to slap on top of this controversy streak, there are bigger issues in the world right now, like food security, climate change, child marriage. Are we really giving shit for Miss Gia? We're wearing fake Chanel. I feel, you know. But honestly, I would love to hear your thoughts. A lot of us agree about Singles Inferno on my previous video, but a lot of us disagree too. And I'm totally down to listen to your side because I'm not a closed person, baby girl. I'm totally up for conversation. Bigger news. The crowd went wild when Miss Ye1 and Hyungsung Dorita Man came together for a YouTube video. Did I not say in my previous video where we all agreed within a 2-mile radius that we ship these two mother lovers? Absolutely genius. They were pinking each other. I mean, like pinky promising each other on her YouTube channel, Miss Ye1. Girl, she is the GOAT. She was saying all the next time I'll come to you, big girl. Jinsuk, the short one. We love him still. If you didn't watch her YouTube video, after the show, they went back into their normal lives and everything just got super busy because they had to pause their work on hold for 9 days. They didn't get no PTO. Things got super busy. They didn't continue the relationship romantically, but they are good friends still and they go to dinner and whatever. But who cares, because one Dorito Man. But yeah, it was super cute because Hyungsung Dorito Man, he said he got scolded by a lot of people, whoever he encountered, even friends and fans, co-workers, for not picking Ye1. As he should. I know I was not the only one throwing my popcorn at the TV. Had hard eyes and flirting low-key with Ye1 and then goes, I choose Gia. What kind of bullshit? But yeah, we can confirm that if Dorito Man had shown more interest in Ye1 would have proposed on one knee. Just kidding. She would have chosen him to go to paradise to get to know his favorite colors more, you know, instead of Jinsup, short man. And then I still don't know if Soyeon and what's his face? If they're together or not. Rumor has it they are. Great for them. And she used to be an idol. From my previous video, a lot of people got the impression that I hated Soyeon. I mean, I was being dramatic that she was being like too much for me, but I don't hate her. I like that she was relatable. Okay, I said that. I just think that things could have been handled differently, but like, it's a show. I understand. She was validating her own feelings. And you know what? If she was stuck on it, she was stuck on it, because I get stuck on my emotions. You would know if you listen to my podcast. So since we're here, you should probably listen to my podcast. It gets a little dirty. Girl Gag, available to you on Spotify and Apple Podcasts. We talk about sex time. Platypus, that's our code word. With that all being said, I think that wraps up my opinions and input on Singles Inferno, unless we get another controversy. It seems like a lot of you guys like these videos where I kind of just sit down and bullshit. Let me know if you guys want me to do more and recommend me a show to watch or recommend me a topic to talk about. Don't forget to subscribe if you like tea, and until next time, I'm sending love, buddy. Even if you try